And then flatten them. Okay, got them all flat. I'm gonna do one regular for my son. Sausage is smelling delicious. Bring in a little sweeties. While I'm waiting on everything. Alright. Got the scrambled eggs made. Sausage is done. Alright, gonna put a little cheese first. Okay, got the sausage on these. Now the eggs. Alright, got the scrambled eggs. Now I'm gonna make them into little balls. Alright, got one done. Okay, done with those. I a bit overfilled them. They're gonna be delicious. This one's for my son, just plain. Now it goes in the oven. Alright, gravy's done. I like mine a little bit thicker than normal. It's very good. Okay, biscuits and gravy pulled in little pieces for my son. Alright, breakfast bun with